This planet is definitely the closest planet to the sun that's not orbiting the sun. So the star is called Proxima. We used to always call it Proxima Centauri, which is just Latin for the closest thing in the constellation of the Centaur.
Strange things are happening in our universe that are altering the very nature of science. The James Webb Space Telescope has now detected the presence of some peculiar signals in the Proxima B Exoplanet 4 light-years away from us. These city-like lights have puzzled the scientists with numerous questions. Do these lights suggest that there is intelligent life on the nearby planet? Do we have a neighboring interstellar society? Stay with us till the end as we tell you all about this recent discovery and what it means for the future. The Proxima B planet, which is the sole confirmed planet in the Proxima Centauri system and is located 4.25 light-years from Earth, was the object of JWST's recent observatory mission. The rocky planet Proxima B is present inside the habitable zone and orbits an M-class red dwarf star with a radius which is 1/3 of Earth and has a mass almost equal to that of Earth. Generally, it has often proved quite challenging to observe the Proxima Centauri's faintness and close proximity to the main sequence of stars due to its presence in the Orion arm of our Milky Way galaxy. The city lights discovered on the planet are quite comparable to the LEDs found on Earth. To confirm that the signal isn't simply an echo of our own civilization, which is usually the case, another signal from the direction of Proxima Centauri was discovered which gave the same readings. Currently, the luminescence from our planets is still being studied to see whether there is a civilization there from space. This is very hard to believe for scientists, specifically because on a tidally locked planet with a permanent night side, artificial illumination would be required to support a technological civilization which is a direct sign of extraterrestrial life on the nearby planet. The light emission is visible even at wavelengths between 1.6 and 2.5 meters when it would have been expected to be at its greatest, which further demonstrated that the exoplanet system surrounding Proxima Centauri is not very hot. These findings also demonstrate the presence of water vapor and carbon dioxide in the exoplanet system that surrounds Proxima Centauri, which is not entirely dark. This theory was further solidified when the James Webb Space Telescope recently observed the planet and found evidence of oxygen and water vapors. The existence of any type of life suggests that it has evolved, but scientists are unaware of its shape or level of sophistication. Interestingly enough, the fact that the planet is in a zone where life can exist should also guarantee the presence of liquid water there. Due to its parent star's modest brightness, the planet receives around 65% of the light that the Earth receives from the Sun. This quantity of heat is more than sufficient to prevent the water on the planet's surface from freezing into eternal ice. Not only this, the recent discoveries are adding more to this. It so happened that when the Atacama sub-millimeter telescope's high-resolution capabilities allowed scientists to identify artificial light emissions on the red dwarf Proxima Centauri, the exoplanet system surrounding Proxima B was not overly obscured by the host star. According to the findings, CO2 emissions are being produced, which most likely results from carbon dioxide ice found in the exoplanet system. This discovery increases our understanding of how terrestrial civilizations may use artificial lighting techniques on their home worlds to boost visibility or conceal areas they do not want other people to know about. Scientists are also hoping to learn a lot about it thanks to new technologies, particularly the Jasper telescope because it orbits around the nearest star. Although it is highly probable that civilizations emerging around close stars will coexist, a civilization that develops elsewhere might be identified by the artifacts it leaves behind. Enjoying the video? Make sure to let us know what you think about James Webb and its discoveries around the universe in the comments section below. The recent research on technosignatures with the help of James Webb Telescope findings increases the possibility of identifying artificial light on Proxima B. In comparison to our Sun, which is roughly 20 times fainter, the light from Proxima Centauri is about as bright as placing a firefly next to stadium lights, but even that much light is significant on a cosmic scale. Quite obviously, normal technology available to everyone would not be able to identify a civilization on Proxima B that is as lighted up as just 0.001% of the reflected stellar illumination. According to many researchers, other telescopes such as the LUVOIR or the Big UV Optical Infrared Surveyor may even be more effective than JWST at detecting the glow of an extraterrestrial civilization in the future. Although HABEX and LUVOIR are both slated to debut in 2035, there is still a long way to go before they can directly image and catalogue exoplanets on different star systems. Understanding how these telescopes will be able to detect city lights on planets revolving around stars at a distance of 30 parsecs or PC is necessary. Just so you know, the distance between one PC and the nearest star is roughly 326 light years. In the future, we might be able to watch how a faraway world light dwindles with the help of a big constellation of satellites and telescopes. However, as we launch more satellites into space, the comet collision or debris in orbit could also possibly be the source of these technological indicators, but they could also be observed as a result of these other factors. It is also important to note that an active star that is close to Earth could potentially be a threat to us as well. This is because any supernova within 30 light years of Earth has the potential to cause a mass extinction, and at just 4.2 light years away, it can easily wipe out all life on Earth with gamma rays and charged particles. However, there is no need to panic or fear right now, as according to current scientific knowledge, Proxima Centauri is too tiny to support the development of a supernova, meaning it cannot pose a threat to Earth. All in all, space travel and the quest for extraterrestrial life is a subject that has sparked interest and imagination among people all over the world, and the James Webb Telescope is accomplishing its original missions of looking for hints as to how our solar system was formed and looking for evidence of extraterrestrial life. And, as evident by the recent discoveries made on Proxima B, there is no doubt that there is still a lot to learn about the universe. That is it from today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, show some love and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on any of the amazing videos we have in store for you.